Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix itch.io access denied on download. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for the application, which is going to be itch, of course, and right click on it and click on open file location. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here. You can simply try reinstalling by clicking on its setup, and once you've done that, go ahead and right click on the application itself right over here. Right, and what you want to do is click on properties, and it's going to be on this right here. Make sure that on compatibility it is on run this as an administrator, and also on security make sure that it has full control on your system. Just click on edit, allow full control, and that is about it. It should go ahead and fix it. If it doesn't, just try restarting your PC one more time and do the steps one more time. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.